Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account in a supported region and an active Roblox account. Sign into Microsoft Rewards and link your Xbox Live or Microsoft profile now, because Rewards activity ties to that identity. Once linked, make sure your Roblox email matches or is accessible for verification. You don't need extra apps yet. Just verify two-step authentication if prompted. This prevents lockouts and makes later point tracking seamless, so proceed to the rewards dashboard before moving. Next, focus on scalable point earning. You perform daily Microsoft searches and quizzes. Use Edge to capture browser bonuses because that increases point yield. Once you accumulate enough, redeem points for Xbox or Microsoft Store credits. These are practical intermediaries for buying Roblox gift cards or Robux. Also watch short videos and complete safe offers when available. They stack. Make sure to track progress on the rewards dashboard and plan redemptions so you don't waste points on low-value items. Finally, redeem your Microsoft credits for a Roblox gift card or Microsoft Store code and apply that code to your Roblox account. You want to see the balance reflected immediately. Once done, verify the transaction history in both Microsoft and Roblox to confirm delivery. If something goes wrong, first confirm your region and that emails/accounts match exactly. Mismatches cause most failures. If still unresolved, gather screenshots and contact Microsoft Rewards support. Provide order ID and dates so they can trace the credit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.